there, welcome to my channel. I am Freba and today I'm excited to show you how to knit a foldable neck warmer using 4.5 millimeter needles. That's 7 in US sizing. This rib pattern requires casting on a multiple of 3 plus 1. For this sample, I cast on 61 stitches. The pattern is based on a rib stitch, 2 purl and 1 knit stitch as a base. So you purl the first 2 stitches as usual. When you reach to the knit stitch, grab the yarn from under the knit loop from the row below. Find the knit loop from previous row and go under it. There is a strand there. You're gonna grab that piece from there and then put it on your left needle, and then you're gonna knit through back loop. Then just transfer the original knit stitch to the right needle without doing anything with it, and repeat this for the entire row, and I will back to show you the return row. Now we are at the return row. Let's take a look at how to work this row. I start by picking up the first stitch, and then I have 2 knit stitches that I'm gonna knit them. Next, I have knit stitch from the previous row along with the original knit stitch that was transferred. Now I'm gonna purl these 2 stitches together and make sure the yarn is underneath the needle, not over it. And that's it for the return row. You're gonna keep doing the same thing, 2 knits and then purl 2 together. I will finish this row and will be back with the next steps. From here on out, I will be increasing 1 stitch at the beginning and 1 at the end of the row until my piece reaches to 19 centimeters. Okay, let's start increasing. I'm gonna pick up my edge stitch, then I will do yarn over and will continue with the pattern. On the return row, I will follow the pattern and will decide whether the stitches are knit or purl. I'm gonna continue on doing my row. Okay, now I have finished enough rows and have switched to a new color. Since my other skein was done, I switched to this white one. If I measure my piece, it's about 19 centimeters. At this point, I will drop 15 stitches from each side. Okay, here at the beginning of the row, I'm going to bind off 15 stitches. Okay, as you see, I knit and then I pull it over the new stitch. I have knit 2 together. I'm gonna do that and then pull the first stitch over it, and that drops my stitches. I'm gonna continue doing this for about 15 stitches, and that will be about 9 centimeters. Okay, now I'm at the beginning of the next row. As you see, I have already dropped 15 stitches in the previous row, And here I'm gonna drop another 15 stitches from beginning of this row. Okay, now I'm done decreasing on both sides. From now on, I'm gonna decrease 2 stitches at the beginning of each row. So I'm doing my pattern and then yarn over again one more, and that's dropping 2 stitches at a time. So I will do this at the beginning of each row. It means one at right side and one at the return row until I'm done to 7 stitches. I'm now left with 7 stitches, so I'm going to bind off all of them. I pick up the edge stitch, then I prefer to use a knit stitch for the purl stitches at the end, as it gives a cleaner finish. And then I'm gonna pull it over and finish this row, all the stitches. And that's my last stitch here. Now I'm gonna pull that last stitch and then pass the yarn through that inside it, and then I will cut it off. Next, I'll use a tapestry needle to tidy up the edge. I'll stitch back and forth a few times. Now we're ready to join the edges together. You only need to seam about 13-14 centimeters, not the entire edge, because that part will sit on the shoulders. Now we have finished the neck warmer. As you see, we have added some beautiful texture with the rib pattern. We're doing some increasing and decreasing stitches to create a nice shape. And here's the other one. You can fold it and wear it as a cozy neck warmer. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more knitting tips and projects. Feel free to leave any questions or comment below. Thanks for watching and happy knitting time.